so we're at Home Depot. Oh, sorry. We're at Lowe's. Home Depot let us down. Trying to find a 6-inch pipe for our toilet paper launcher Halloween project. So what we found is this sewer pipe, 6 inches diameter and 10 feet long. It's quite massive. And then we're going to use these. This 1/2-inch tubing is probably going to be our dowel. That's gonna, there's going to be a slot cut along the pipe, and then rubber bands will propel it forward this way. This is a 3/4 inch pipe. We'll probably make some like a stand or feet out of it, and then a couple of caps just to cap it off and make it look nice. And so the thing that's missing now is rubber bands. So we need to hit Target or some sort of other place for that. And we need a couple of pieces. We need to 3D print to make it all come together. But first step, got it all loaded on the truck. The Rivian has lots of utility features that make this very easy. Brought the sewer pipe home from Home Depot, and according to the design we set out, Zach used the table saw, I think. It's circular saw to cut these slots. Designed and 3D printed the sled that holds the toilet paper that sits in here. Fits really nice and snug, but doesn't have a lot of drag. And then to power the launcher using the exercise bands.
Target.
Target, they say up to 50 pounds. And up here, Zach CNC'd this, like, what is this? Plywood. Two layers of 1/2-inch plywood. And so we've played around with this a little bit to see how much power we need. So it looks like one wrap of the workout band, and then just using the handles here with another piece of PVC reaching through. This seems to have great power. We're not launching quite as far as we'd like yet, so there's maybe some tweaks coming down the pipe. But anyway, for now, slot cut, CNC custom part, 3D printed part, and bands. So we're ready to launch and test this a bit now. What? This is hilarious.
It went high up though. Splat.
So we just did a bunch of testing out in the parking lot. It overall looks great. The most fun was had with the wet paper roll that went splat. We're not launching quite as far as we'd like. There's a couple things that we can maybe do. So I think that if we lubricate the inside of the barrel with some WD-40 or some silicone spray, that would probably make it a little more slippery. But we actually have so much power that we keep breaking our PVC pieces. So there's no lack of power, clearly, from them hitting the top edge here. We were trying to use tape to dampen the blow, which would work for like 2 shots. If we didn't reapply the tape, the pole would shatter. Okay, so maybe that's something we need to figure out how to improve. For rapid fire action, we can't be, going through all these firing units. Otherwise it's great. It needs some legs. We're working on this 3D printed hingy part that Zach designed. So we're planning on putting on some legs that can kick out, so it can sit at an angle while we're launching it. And yeah, otherwise, any other groundbreaking ideas are welcome. Let's figure out how to launch this thing over the warehouse at least.